Okay, take two. Here's a Maytag Jetclean Dishwasher, and I am currently working on this right now because it wasn't ever installed right. As you can see, I'm running it very dangerously right now since they had it wired into the garbage disposal, like I was saying to you guys in a earlier film. It was wired in there. This is a Maytag Jetclean Dishwasher, and this is the basic one because the one I bought was had a digital. As you can see, I'm pushing my finger in there. That's where actually the digital readout would go, but it doesn't have it. So it's a really good dishwasher. Let's open it up. It's really dirty right now. Let's see. It was doesn't have a date when it was manufactured. I'm thinking 2001, 2000 or 2001. Since I fixed the door on it because it popped off the hinge. Yeah,